The antiderivative of secant square is tan. So therefore, this is equal to tan of x minus 5 plus c. 1 into dx we will get it as x. So we have minus integral of cos x is sin x plus integration constant. The value of t can be replaced with 4x square minus 2x plus 7 to the power 5 by 2 plus integration constant. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. In this session, we are revising the chapter Indefinite Integral. So here we are going to find the antiderivatives of the given functions by various methods. In this session, we are going to discuss 1 mark and 2 mark question from this chapter. So before that, let's see the distribution of marks from this chapter. We have 1 mark, 1 2 mark and 2 3 marks question. So overall, you will get 9 marks from this chapter. So here, let's start with 1 mark question. Evaluate integration with respect to dx, that is 1 over cube root of x to the power 5. So this can be written as integration of x to the power minus 5 by 3 into dx. So this can be written as x to the power minus 5 by 3 plus 1 divided by minus 5 by 3 plus 1 plus c, an integration constant. So this can be written as x to the power minus 2 by 3, and here minus 2 by 3 will be the value plus c. Next, evaluate integral of x power e plus e power x minus log a into dx. So here x power e means if you integrate this, we will get this in the form of x to the power e plus 1 by e plus 1. And integral of e power x is e power x only. Log a is a constant. So we can write this as log a into x plus integration constant. Next, integration of 1 over 7x plus 8. This is in the form of 1 over ax plus b into dx. So we can write this as log of 7x plus 8 divided by 7 plus c. Next, integral of secant square x minus 5 dx. The antiderivative of secant square is tan. So therefore, this is equal to tan of x minus 5 plus c. Next, integration of secant x minus tan x dx. So this can be written as integration of secant square x minus secant x tan x into dx. So we can apply the integral separately. So integral of secant square x dx will be tan x here, minus integral of secant x tan x is secant x plus c, integration constant. Next, evaluate integral of x square minus 6 by x plus 5 e power x into dx. So here when you integrate it this separately, so we have x cube divided by 3 minus 6 log x, because antiderivative of 1 by x is log x, plus 5 into e power x plus c. Next question, integral of 4 secant square dx. Constant we can keep it outside. We can just integrate secant square x dx, that can be written as tan x plus c. Next we have 2 marks question. Evaluate integral of sin 3x into cos 2x dx. So using this transformation formula, I can write this as half sin a plus b, that is 3x plus 2x 5x plus sin a minus b, that is 3x minus 2x x into dx. I can take half outside the integral. So if you apply the integral for sine function, it will give you minus cos 5x divided by 5 here. And here also integral of sin x will be minus cos x plus c. Next we have evaluate integral of e power x divided by e power x plus 1. So here we can use the substitution method. Let's put the denominator e power x plus 1 is equal to t. Let us derive it. So here we will get e power x dx is equal to dt. Now e power x into dx can be replaced as dt and e power x plus 1 can be written as t. So now we have integral of dt over t which can be written as log t plus c. So t can be replaced again. So we will get log of e power x plus 1 plus c. So substitution method of finding the antiderivative. Next. So evaluate integral of sine square x divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So here sine square x can be written as 1 minus cos square x using the standard identity. And this is in the form of a square minus b square which can be written as 1 plus cos x into 1 minus cos x whole divided by 1 plus cos x dx. So we can cancel 1 plus cos x and 1 plus cos x. So we are left with integral of 1 minus cos x into dx. Now integrating separately, 1 into dx will get it as x. So we have minus integral of cos x is sin x plus integration constant. Next we have evaluate secant square x into tan x divided by 3 plus secant square x dx. So let's use the substitution method. So we will take put t is equal to 3 plus secant square x. So this one will take it as t. Then let us derive it. So we will get dt is equal to 3 derivation of 3 is 0. So secant square can be written as 2 secant x into derivative of secant x is secant x tan x. So therefore here dt can be written as 2 secant square x into tan x, or we can write dt by 2 is equal to secant square into tan x. Since we are derivating with respect to x, we'll write dx here. So here secant square x tan x dx can be written as dt by 2. So therefore this becomes dt divided by 2t. Now this can be written as 1 by 2 integral of dt by t, or 1 by 2 log t plus c, or 1 by 2 log of 3 plus secant square x plus c. So this is the indefinite integral value of the given function. Next we have evaluate integral of 3 power x log 3 divided by 3 power x plus 1 dx. Again here also put 3 power x plus 1 is equal to t. We know the derivative of a power x is a power x log a. So here 3 power x become 3 power x log 3 into dx is equal to dt. So completely we can change this in the form of dt by t. So which is equal to log t plus c, or we can write this as log of 3 power x plus 1 plus c. Next we have here evaluate 1 over root x plus x. So here I'll take root x common factor in the denominator, then I'll get this as 1 plus root x into dx. Now here put t is equal to 1 plus root x. Then dt will be equal to root x is 1 by 2 root x dx. Or I can write 2 into dt is equal to 1 by root x dx. So 1 over root x into dx can be written as 2 into dt, and 1 plus root x can be written as t. So therefore this becomes 2 into dt by t, or 2 into integral of dt by t, 2 times log t plus c, 2 times log of, so what is t we have taken, that is 1 plus root x plus c. We can shift 2 as a power of the variable, so 1 plus root x whole square plus c. Next one we have integral of 4x square minus 2x plus 7 to the power 3 by 2 into 4x minus 1 dx. Now here let me take this as function t. So put t is equal to 4x square minus 2x plus 7. Let me derive this, then I'll get to dt is equal to 8x minus 2. So here let me take 2 as a common factor here. Then dt is equal to 4x minus 1 into dx we have. Or I can write dt by 2 is equal to 4x minus 1 into dx. So here 4x minus 1 dx can be taken as dt by 2, and therefore this becomes t to the power 3 by 2 into dt by 2. By taking 1 by 2 constants, we have t to the power 3 by 2 into dt. Applying the integral with respect to dt, we'll get it as t to the power 3 by 2 plus 1, 3 by 2 plus 1, which is 1 by 2 into t to the power 3 by 2 plus 1 becomes t to the power 5 by 2, 5 by 2 plus c. So we can cancel 2 and 2 here. We can write this as 1 by 5. The value of t can be replaced with 4x square minus 2x plus 7 to the power 5 by 2 plus integration constant. This is the value. So these are very simple integration by the method of substitution, which you can expect for 2 marks, and 1 marks will be the direct substitution for the standard integrals. We'll meet you in the next session with few more questions. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep exploring. Thank you.